Okay, all right, so guys, here's what we're gonna do. This tutorial will show you how to use cardboard cutters and hot glue guns. These are two of the most valuable tools we have because you can do so much with them, okay? So we'll start with the cardboard cutter. This is called a cardboard cutter. It cuts cardboard, kind of fits in your hand nicely. You can see there's two little blades right there, but they've got little protective guards on them, so they're like safety ones, we can't hurt ourselves, but they cut really nicely. So watch how I do this, okay? I'm probably gonna put some kind of weight, either my foot or pressure right here, and then I'm just gonna cut, okay? So watch, you just drag. Sometimes you get a cut like that, and so what you can do is you can kind of just put it right on there again and cut again. Sometimes you just gotta tear, but that's all it is to it. If I don't put that pressure down here, it kind of just goes all over, like you wouldn't hold it. So you gotta hold it somehow. Keep your fingers out of there, see? My fingers are safe. And then we're just dragging it through, and it cuts off. Sometimes kids will draw a line where they want to cut, that way they can have nice straight cuts. So after you've cut what you needed to do, you kept your fingers safe over here, and then you cut. Now it's time to glue it together. So the hot glue gun basically takes this wax, the glue, it puts it into the glue gun, and in here it heats it up. So here's what we can't happen. You cannot touch this nozzle. That's what's heating up, and you will get burned. Secondly, so stay away from that glue, stay away from the nozzle, okay? So then basically you're just pulling the trigger, and you're just putting glue where you want. So let's say I wanted to attach these together for whatever we were doing. I would probably just take it right here. You can see I'm squeezing the nozzle. Look at my hand. My hand is away from the glue gun. Don't put it near the nozzle. Don't put it near, because that glue is still hot when it's coming out. Keep your hand away. Got it right here. Do it kind of quick because it dries. And then you got to hold it a little bit, okay? I don't know a good number. Maybe 20 seconds, maybe less. I'll probably do less. And look, you got it. It's going to stay. You're going to want to let it rest a little more than that probably. Once it's down, see it's already tipping. Once it's down, you could kind of do a little more. You could go a little more on the edges. But that's how you use a cardboard cutter and a hot glue gun. Stay away from the nozzle. Last thing about the hot glue guns, when this gets too short, when it gets all the way used up in here, you just take a second one and you just push it in, okay? So if there's no more glue and it won't come out, you just take another one and push it through, and then you should be good, okay? So that's how you use your cardboard cutter and your hot glue gun. Thanks.